Over the years, I will be doing my best to dish out interesting tech reviews and tech updates for you all in this channel. Although it has not been an easy journey, especially with the financial aspect, because every business needs money to survive. But you guys' support toward this channel has been amazing. Nearly 21,000 of you guys have hit the subscribe button, which means a lot to me. I appreciate you guys for the clicks, the likes, the comments, the shares, and the participation in my giveaways. This may be the first time you have seen my face, and I'm honored to show you guys how far this channel has grown. I've been able to upgrade my video quality, which is why I'm now more confident to show you guys my face. Although I advise you all that want to start a YouTube channel to make use of whatever you have, and then you can upgrade as you grow. I would love to also appreciate some people who have contributed a lot to the growth of this channel. Huge thanks to Mr. Tobi, Mr. Fred, and Mr. Valor, and of course you guys Super Mobile fans. My family members and friends have also been of great support to me, and I want to say a big thank you to them. Also, I want to send a thank you note to my fellow Nigerian tech YouTubers for their motivations and inspirations. I believe this is only the beginning of good success for this channel, and I'm glad I have you guys' support. I want to appreciate you all and thank you all so much for giving me the opportunity to do what I love, and I wish you all good success in your life journey. It's been long I've done a giveaway for this channel, so stay tuned for a giveaway coming soon. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for the support. Remain humble and stay safe. Bye.